Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Zone Perfect cookie dough bars. They're protein bars. I recently learned through a source that they're being discontinued. So write in the comments down below, were you a fan of the Zone Perfect cookie dough bars, or were you not a fan? Let us know. Do you love them or do you not love them? It's been several years, I want to say, since I had one of these, and just one day it came back to my mind, it came back to my memory that, oh yeah, I used to eat Zone Perfect bars, like the protein bars, and I love them so much. So I'm really sad that they're discontinuing them. I hope that someone makes a similar product or can keep the company going, well, I hope someone can keep the product going. So I'm going to do an unboxing and just kind of a product review since it's being discontinued, just for good old sake. Good old times. So I'm going to open up the box. So this one is peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough. Now I am a personal fan of the original, which is the chocolate chip cookie dough. So I'm totally a fan of the original. This one is peanut butter, basically cookie dough. So this one's slightly different from the original, but this was all that I could, since it's been discontinued, this was all that I can get my hands on was this box. So it's already been discontinued, so I couldn't get my hands on the original. So I'm doing a product review on the peanut butter cookie dough. So it comes in a box of 5 bars. So there's 5 bars that come in here. And it comes packaged just like this. That's what it looks like when you pull out one of the bars. Go ahead and open this up. It's always been really easy to tear open. You just take one of the tabs and just kind of rip it open. That's what I loved about this product. It was always easy to open. So it does look like cookie dough. If you look at that, there's chocolate glazed on the bottom. It has a really nice texture, if you can see. We'll see if we can do a close-up. A really nice texture of flattened chocolate, and then the top is drizzled with chocolate. So let's go ahead, we'll break it apart. This is what the middle looks like. You can see a chocolate chip, and it looks like cookie dough. I'm going to go ahead and try it. I kind of took a big bite. The peanut butter ones are a little bit more dry than the original cookie dough. I don't have a box, so I can't compare them right next to each other. But off of my memory, I remember the cookie dough, the original, just being a lot more moist. Like, it was so flexible, you could like bend it really easy. And it was really moist. So with this peanut butter one, if I was making it, I would add more corn syrup to it, just to give a more soft, bendable texture. So if I was making the product, I would add more corn syrup to it to make it more moistened and flexible, to give it a slightly better texture. But from my memory, I do remember the cookie dough being very moist, being very flexible. So I wonder if there's more, I wonder if it's just made from different ingredients. But for some reason, the peanut butter one has more of a dry texture to it. And so I would add corn syrup to try to enhance that. Okay, well that's everything. That's my product review. And unboxing of the Zone Perfect cookie dough bars, protein bars. I hope that someone brings them back, or that there's a similar product in the future, or just that it comes back, because I was a big fan. Okay, that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.